to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be decorating my bar cart for fall. I normally decorate it a little bit, but I haven't had it that long and I haven't had it since we've had fall. So I'm really excited to decorate it with you guys and to see what we can come up with things that I already have around the house. I think everything I used today is stuff I previously had in my collection of decor. All of this stuff I used to decorate is very, very inexpensive and it looks so cute when you put it all together. And then there's always things that I'll probably end up changing or adding to it as I progress into the season. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I decorated my bar cart for fall. So if you guys are interested in seeing what it looked like before and what it looks like now and how I did it, then just keep watching.
Okay guys, so the first step is just to take everything off. I really like to start from just a fresh, clean kind of canvas feel and just make sure that it's not cluttered and that I can arrange things in a completely different way, and it just makes me feel a lot better when I do put out my new decor. Another big part of this is I really clean it and sanitize it because it does just get dusty and dirty from season to season. So I just take a second and wipe it down with some Mr. Clean and some water to just make sure it smells nice and fresh and there's no dust or anything gross left over. I'm going to go ahead and add some string lights because I feel like these little dainty fairy lights are a must on a bar cart. They just add a sense of elegance to the room and make the bar cart just look really put together and pretty, and it looks nice at night when it's lit up. So I always just kind of add these into my bar cart when I decorate it for the holidays. I bought these at Bed Bath & Beyond a while ago, but you can pretty much find them anywhere. So then I'm just going to go ahead and add a little towel that I have. That's a little hand towel, and it's just a little fall one that I thought would be cute on the end of my bar cart, and it just says Share the Harvest. Next, I'm adding in this piece of wood that I actually burned our last name into with a wood burner, and I always just keep this on my bar cart and keep my little drink cups on it because I think it looks really cute. So this plate that I'm adding is called a Dress Me Up plate, and I love this plate because I can change it out for every season and make it work with any kind of decor or theme. I usually will write something on it, but I couldn't find my markers. All I had was the hot pink one, and I just didn't think the hot pink would look very good. So I'll do that later. And then I'm adding my Moscow Mule mugs that are so cute, hammered rose gold. I'm adding a little bit of candy corn into this little glass bowl that I got from Dollar Tree, and the candy was from Dollar Tree as well, so very inexpensive, and it just adds a nice little pop of orange onto the bar cart and makes it look a little more festive, as well as some candy. If you like candy corn, let me know if you like candy corn because I can't stand it, but I think it looks really cute as a decor item. Then I'm just using a piece of burlap that I actually just found in a drawer, and I'm going to wrap this around the bar cart handle as well and just incorporate it with the fairy lights because I love the way the burlap mixes in with the lights. It just looks really pretty and rustic, but yet elegant still. At the bottom of the bar cart, I'm just adding in some pumpkins that I've had for a while, as well as Aaron's beer glasses because we just keep them here because they don't fit in our cabinet. I then added this gather banner. I didn't feel like it vibed well with the whole aesthetic. It just looked overcrowded, so I decided later to take that off, as you'll see in this next clip. I just wasn't feeling it. And then at the bottom I added in my little recipe cookbook holder because my Magnolia Table cookbook doesn't fit in it, but it looked really cute as a little accent piece on the bottom of my bar cart. So that is it. I am done decorating this bar cart for fall. I think it's very simple and plain but still elegant and fun for the holiday season. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. I love the way it turned out and it looks so pretty in my dining room.
Guys, that that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know your comments down below. Anything you think I should change, add, get rid of, all that stuff. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. I always value hearing from you in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I hope you guys did, and I'll see you in my next video.